Good morning, everybody. Today there is some problem in my setup, so you have to compromise with the video quality. I think in WhatsApp almost everyone has shown your presence, so I can start. Is it visible? If not, then you have to wait for 5 minutes so that I can get this corrected. Please confirm in written. Okay, then just wait for 2-3 minutes. I think this is okay now. So last day I think this is working properly and the things are visible. So last day I discussed mainly about the histogram and the introduction about bar graph also I discussed, introductory bar graph. Now last day you have made a query also that if more than one data items or more than one collections are to be visualized in the bar graph together, then what way you will do. Actually, this is simply to add some more items in the bar graph, and so you can do so today, not by taking any dummy problem, but a real time problem I will consider, and then I will try to demonstrate that how the things will work. For last day's discussion, I had already sent the written description having all the specifications which I discussed last day were mentioned there. I hope that you have seen them all and you have tried to work on them as usual. If you have done, it is good to confirm that you have seen and you have tried. So let us consider a problem of, let us consider the CSV file that was having some marks in different examinations, and on that basis, in fact, the performance chart, performance bar graph, I will try to prepare. You have got the CSV file marks.csv. This is having some marks of yours. It is PR, HY. Then let us consider HY and final, and HY and final let us take for comparing, and total also you can consider. That is no, PR and HY let us consider for comparing two rows, two columns are there to compare for some students. Actually there are altogether 21 specifications given, but few I will consider. Let us consider first 5. So this is the table. Let us close it, and we will import that in I am writing the file directly in gedit so that we can do editing again and again. See, last day also and previous classes also I told you that for the sake of doing the work fast, I am not using Python anywhere, and similar technology I am using, like local editor I am using for writing the programs, and my local terminal I am using for executing the program, but you will use them in Python anywhere. If you find any difficulty, any problem, then you may ask about it. Otherwise you will keep this for you working. Just for saving the time, I am not using Python anywhere. At the same time, if there is some ID also like PyCharm or Gianni in your computer, those IDs also you can use for writing the Python programs if Python 3 is executing in them. Python 2.7, 2.8 I don't want to consider because Python 3 is now in general practice. So let us go with Python 3 itself. And in your local computer it needs a lot of configurations, I know. That will use extra time and effort. It is good to use Python anywhere. A little you have to compromise with the speed. So gedit, let us take import matplotlib dot pyplot as pp, import pandas as pd. Let us say marks equal to pd dot read csv marks dot csv dot head. First 5 will come, just print and see it. Print marks. Save. Coming to Python 12. Giving the name bar demo.py. This is saved. Now coming to the terminal, I am already, no, I am, let me go there in that folder, cd documents and Python 3, cd documents Python 12, then Python 3 bar demo.py. अब क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया? Py bar demo. You are seeing these first 5 students are appearing. Let me zoom it. See, when I execute, these first 5 students are available. Their marks are also available. You may take the selected marks also as per your requirement. Here dot head dot, let us say, filter name hy fin. If this you are taking, then you will get only these marks available. See, when I am taking the filter, only these names and their corresponding marks are available. Just wait. Okay. Now, so this is available. Now let us declare the figure object fg equal to pp dot figure. Declare axis object ax equal to okay. I think it is visible now. Ax equal to fg dot add subplot 111. Now to take out data. Suppose data equal to, we have marks dot filter hy final. And the labels at the bottom, actually what I want, let me show what in fact I expect to appear, because then the figure will be clear and you can understand what in fact I want to do. Anyone can confirm, is there any disturbance in sound due to fan? If so or not, if so, I'm closing the fan, because certainly the voice will be more clear if fan will not move. See, I want the bar graph in this way. Five students are there. Here marks. Here students. Now here I want like this. Suppose it is of any color. This should be of different color. This is Manliya student X. Then again in this way I want. You see, this is the tangents are there. Suppose this is for hy and this is for final. This is the legend. In this way I want the graph. In this way the bar graph I require. Wait. So you are observing that two data items are there to be plotted, to be shown in the bar graph. One is the half yearly marks, another is the final marks. This is the half yearly marks, this is the final marks for each student. So whatever the data I am taking, Whatever the filtered data I have taken, this includes name, HY, and final. HY name is the name of students that should come on x-axis. HY and FIN are the data values that will be indicated on y-axis in different bars, in the form of different bars. So accordingly, I am working. So for data I have applied, see marks is head and filter I have applied for name, HY and final. This was coming earlier. Now I have taken data as applying filter on marks with HY and FIN. Now division for x div equal to something I take like pd dot series let us say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That will show the separation of different bars along x. Is it so? Now, right now, I am not specifying the student's name and all. Simply, I am plotting the graph. Now, AX is the axis dot bar. Bar is the method or function that brings the bar on the canvas. First of all, X division to give. Then what data you want to show in the bar. So in marks, I want to show first of all HY. Its color, I want to specify suppose as green. And width, let us say I want as 2. Closing this. And then this is made. Now save figure. FG dot save fig. FG is the name of our figure object. Let us say bar demo dot png. This I have given. This is the main thing to consider. Ax dot bar is the function, is the method of axis object that brings the bar. Axis object you have declared here, ax fg dot add subplot. Fg is the figure object. Figure object is the part of pyplot object of matplotlib. Now this is data declared HYN final. This I have specified the divisions. The variable accordingly I have chosen arbitrarily xdiv will show division on x. Now this is saved. Now saving this, Control S, and then executing this. Python 3 bar demo dot py. This is executed. Now let us bring file manager, and bar demo is bar demo png you are observing. Now see here different marks are shown, but no information described here. First of all, include another bar, then I will Then we'll try to add the informations for the bars. Adding one more, bringing that file. See, ax dot bar x div. Now I have given the width for this as 2. So another will be 2 space shifted right from this. So I am adding 2 to this, comma, marks fin, color equal to suppose red, and its width also equal to 2. Understand the difference between these two lines. See comparison. Here instead of marks, here marks hy, in another bar marks fin. Here color is G, color is R. The two different colors are for both of them are 2, and as this is taking this is starting from 5 and taking the width 2, then this should start 2 ahead, and this is a vectorized operation as I have taken here series. I have not purposely I have not taken here the list, because in list vectorized operation you cannot perform. Here if pd dot series is not taken, xdiv dot 2 if you will write, then it will produce error. Here the xdiv is written, the divisions are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and here the divisions should be 7, 12, 17, 22 and 27. कौन प्रॉब्लम बोल रहा है भाई? प्रॉब्लम क्या है भाई? ये तो लिखा ही नहीं प्रॉब्लम. Indicate what is your problem. Video is not coming, audio is not coming, not visible. Or anything your personal problem. Nothing. If your problem in understanding, I am repeating again. See from the beginning, these two lines, matplotlib dot pyplot as pp, the pyplot object you are declaring, then you are pandas object declaring. Then you are reading marks. Here the special thing you are doing, the first 5 rows you are taking by head. Default, by head first 5 row comes. Tail you will take, then last 5 rows will come. Then I am filtering. There are so many other marks columns also, but I am taking only the required one for which I have to plot the bar graph. And in filter, I have taken the name, hy and fin. Filter, since this is not the length of the box, width of the box is not appropriate, so this was not coming together. So now this is coming together. After taking the head of marks.csv, by dot you are applying filter having name. Again and again it is disturbing. I'm leaving this as it is. I'm not on the bulb. At least screen you will see clearly. My face will not come clear. So compromise with the view of my face. See the screen, that will be clear to you, as I expect. Is it so? Yes, it is. So here in filter, you are after a head, I am applying filter name HYN FIN. I am writing here to get the information. I am using print statement also to print the marks. Then figure object is declared fg equal to pp dot figure. One line I have left purposely so that you can see the starting of the process. Figure object is declared as fg and axis object is declared as ax. To declare axis object fg is applied with add subplot library, add subplot function of the class. Now, since I have to take a combination of data, actually that here not necessary to write this. If with the data you are finding problem, then I'm commenting this, or you can see there is no need of declaring data separately. But here also I have not used data, rather directly I used from marks. This may create confusion. This I did not indicate as I declared data but used directly marks. So there is no need of this data which is appearing in blue color. Since I have discussed, I have written this separately, but I have not used, so I am removing this. Leave it from here, no need. So after that, the division of x-axis is made at what intervals you want the bars, and for that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, since 5 that you have to choose by yourself. Okay, in what way? There are so many customizations you can do. Uh, Depending on your requirement, you can do customization. For example, here I want the division at 5, 10, 15, 12, 5, 10, 15, 22 and 25. So I have taken a series. I also told that series purposely I have written because I need vectorized operation in that. Now first bar is printed, the division of x is mentioned first, then what marks you need to print, that is given, then color and width specified. Now each bar is of width 2 units. You see width is specified as 2. So when you will print, when you will get the next bar, this will be at least away, little away from the first bar. So at least what units? So 2 units, 2 units from 5 is occupied. 2 units from 5 is occupied by the first bar. So second bar of first type will start 2 units apart. So this is 2 added, and when 2 is added, since xdiv is a series, then 2 is added to all the values. 2 will be added to all the values. So 5 will become 7, 10 will become 12, 15 will become 17, 20, 20 will become 22, and 25 will become 27. So this x plus 2 will represent the shift, and here I am printing the final marks. Then color equal to R, red color is taken for this, and width the same 2. And as usual, you are saving by calling the save fig method of fg figure object. Now saving this, Control S. Coming to the terminal, again I am executing this. Bar demo is executed. Marks are shown here, and we'll go to the file manager. In file manager bar demo, I am pressing enter. So see, this is coming. First of all red color, then first of all green color, then red color. This is first bar, this is second bar. So in this way, the two data is combined on the same canvas, and you are seeing the information. Now labeling of different items. क्या and replace with? कौन पूछा है भाई? इसका मतलब ये तुम्हारा मैसेज नहीं है. So in this way, in the simplest form, the graph is coming. Now customization, adding labels. सबसे पहले giving which bar is for which student. Let us put it. See, I told about a method X ticks. I wrote in the last day's description. X ticks is used to specify the division on X scale. So set it. X dot set underscore X ticks equal to nahi, within bracket X div plus 2. In the middle of both, I want the X ticks. Control S, save. Step by step I will move, not everything together. Bar demo I am showing. रन नहीं किया मैंने, इसको रन किया, and then bar demo. क्या हो गया? 712 क्या कर दिया मैंने? चलो ऐसे ही रहने दो. चलो ठीक है. ये 7, ये देखो यहाँ इंडिकेट हो गया 7, 12, 17. ये बीच वाला हिस्सा देखो, ये let me zoom it and then I will show you. See, X ticks I have specified 7, तो यहाँ पर ये 7 पर इंडिकेट हो रहा है, 12 पर इंडिकेट हो रहा है, 17 पर इंडिकेट हो रहा है, 22 पर इंडिकेट हो रहा है, इस पर इंडिकेट हो रहा है. Now इसका लेबल, तो ax dot set x tick labels. ये गौर करके समझो. Here it is x ticks that sets the division and x tick level. ये कंफ्यूजिंग है, इसलिए इस पर थोड़ा ध्यान देंगे. x ticks लेवल नहीं है, x tick levels. यहां s बाद में है. क्या हमारा लेवल है भाई? तो हमारा लेवल है मार्क्स का नेम. स्पेसिफाइड. कंट्रोल एस, सेव. Executed, and then bar demo. You see, it is coming Ananya, Ankit Kumar, this, I say. So they are, combined together. अच्छा, यहाँ मैंने दे दिया था xdiv ही ना, xdiv +2, इसलिए मैंने दिया था इसको +2. एक बार फिर से मैं इसको दिखा दूं. Running this, bar demo. Now see, it is coming, labels are coming starting from the middle. लेकिन अभी देखो एकता कुमारी या ये सब एक दूसरे से ओवरलैप कर रहा है. सो आपके पास 2 ऑप्शंस है, या दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. One is that the rotation, another is the font size for labels. X6 labels, comma, rotation in degrees you can specify. 90 if you will give, then it will be vertically up and down. Let us say I'm giving 30. At the inclination of 30 degree, the labels will come. Closing this, I'm executing. Code is executed, and then coming to this. Now see, the names are coming at the inclination of 45 degree. Font size also you can change. Rotation equal to 30, and let us say font size equal to, let us say, 8. Control S, save. Executed again. Bar demo. Now you see the size is less from the previous. And you are seeing the bar graph accordingly. Now, some more things. Let us see whether it is giving the space for this or not. For this, I'm not sure whether it will come or not. Set X label. Name of students. Ax dot set y label. Label marks. Ax dot set title, comparison of hy and fin marks, and ax dot legends half yearly final. इतना सेटिंग मैंने किया। भाई दिखा रहे हैं, घबराओ नहीं। See, these are the changes I have made. Xtix levels के नीचे देखो, ax dot set x level, name of students. About this I am not sure whether it is visible or not, because labels are already occupying label for name labels are already occupying the names. If a space is automatically created, then well and good, otherwise it has to be created explicitly. Now set y level, marks, this is the level of identification of y-axis. Then set title, this will appear at the top of the screen, top of the canvas. And then legends, half yearly and final. About legends, there may have some syntax related errors, but let us see, we'll see the reference if it will not come. This is written. Now saving this, it will be executed. इसको visible होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। मैं बोल रहा हूं कि आई एम राइटिंग पाइथन 3 bar_demo.py, कमांड इज रिटन एंड प्रेसिंग एंटर। सेट टाइटल में गड़बड़ थोड़ा मैंने किया। सेट टाइटल में गड़बड़ ये किया कि एट वन साइड आई हैव गिवन डबल कोटेशन, at another side I have given single quote, that is why it was giving error. Control S, saving and then executing again. लीजेंड नहीं, अगर लीजेंड होगा हो सकता है। कंट्रोल एस, bar demo. See, the things are coming. Comparison of HYN final marks. Here you are seeing this label is coming as marks, but about this I told you that since there is no space, this is not coming, and legends are also not coming. Let me see the reference that how legends are specified. I am missing something there. Labels equal to, some keyword is necessary. Labels equal to, and to be given as tuple. A list should also appear. Anyway, let me check. Bar demo. No, it is not coming. LOC. Tuple given. LOC equal to upper right. These are the differences, version related differences, about which tuple given, LOC equal to upper right, Control S. Bar demo. No, this is not coming. Again, I have to take the reference of the latest matplotlib. Okay, I'm checking. Ax dot labels equal to this LOC, that place lower right corner. According to this reference, I am placing this, but this is not coming. ऐसा ही देते हैं. Okay, let us come to internet. And setting legend matplotlib, उसका जो लेटेस्ट होगा उसमें देगा. Matplotlib legend. X.legend. नो, तरीका तो यही है. अपर राइट 1 है, LOC इक्वल टू 1. Font size and others given. Okay. लेबल्स भी हालांकि जरूरी नहीं है. HY and final FIN. Then LOC equal to, let us say I am writing the numeral value 1. It will not be visible to you, but I am seeing and observing. Set label leveling legend equal to this. ऐसे ही करते हैं भाई. Wait. Legend is ठीक है, specified. If it will not come, we'll leave at this moment. Bar demo. No, legends are not coming. Legends are not coming. That needs a review. That in what way legends will come. Only the placeholder of legends are coming. Placeholder of the legend is coming, you are seeing here, but the labels are not coming. That needs a review, that why it is not coming, but rest of the things are coming as usual. So this is the end about this. Today I have demonstrated to combine more than one bars together, and I have taken a real-time problem that to have the bar graph analysis of your marks. Now you will do this by yourself again. I will send again the marks and this code. Along with that, one problem also I am giving you, that you have to try by yourself on the basis of this experience you have taken right now. This problem is that you have to print the histogram of mean, of half yearly and final of all the students. 21 rows are there. You will calculate the mean of all the 21 students for half yearly and final, and you will plot it in histogram. You know, a general concept is there that when a group is taken for plotting the histogram, for let us say marks, then least students are of poor performance, least students are of highest performance, but the average is of much frequency. So in general, it comes in the shape of bell. उल्टा U की तरह आता है. Beach will be having the highest frequency. The average of the students get the highest frequency, but the less frequencies is there for poor performance, means less marks, and less frequency is there for highest marks. So you will take this group of 21 students, their marks. No need to see what marks who has got. You will calculate the mean of half yearly and final, and you will try to print, you will try to make the histogram on the basis of today's experience and the last day's experience of printing the histogram. At least when it is done, you will send me the screenshot of the histogram so that I can confirm you have done. And this bar graph also you will prepare for this marks table, and you will send me the screenshot. I have taken first 5. You can take 5 or 4 or 3 or 6 from anywhere in the list. You can extract slices from the CSV file, and you will try to plot it. So in this way, you will do some work, and certainly you will send me the screenshot so that I can confirm that you have done the work. That's it. I'm winding up today. Thank you. Thank you for everyone to be in the class, and I will send the mark CSV and the code bar demo with which I worked today. Legend is not working, though I'm working according to the reference given, but maybe what extra setting is required, that is not clear here, that I will clarify and I will send after this. So thank you once again. Thank you.